Hey there, everyone. My name is Nathan, and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services for their smartphones and tablets and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform by our clients is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most devices are going to come with some sort of SIM lock that restricts them to only being used on the original carrier or network that sold them, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be able to be used with a different network or carrier. Now, here with me today, I have an LG K20 Plus, originally from T-Mobile. We'll get into the settings here in a second and take a look at what we're working with, but I just wanted to show you first that if a non-T-Mobile SIM card is inserted, as compared to some other devices, there doesn't seem to be any way to easily get the device unlocked. If you insert a non-T-Mobile SIM, you'll just have this network lock message that mentions using the device unlock app that comes preloaded to get the phone unlocked. And that's something that T-Mobile started doing a few years ago. They went away from the whole unlock code process and instead started using this app that they preload on the phone. It's called the device unlock app, and it's how T-Mobile controls everything when it comes to the situation of getting the phones unlocked. But we're making this video here to actually let our customers know that we have a way to be able to do unlocks for devices like this without needing to go through that whole unlock app process. It's something that we can do instantly with our own programs and tools, and that's actually something that we're going to be doing right here, right now. Let me jump into the settings first, and we'll show you here what we're working with. Okay, we can see the model number here, the TP260. If you do a Google search or look it up on any other informational websites, that'll come up as the K20 Plus, originally from T-Mobile, and so that is what we're working with here. I'm actually running my program right here now to get the phone unlocked, so we just need to do a couple of restarts here, and after that we should be able to see that it's registered and working on the SIM card that we have there inserted. So 1 minute here while I finish that up. And you can skip ahead to the end of the video. This might just take 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, looks like we're just about finished. Okay, so one last restart here, and we should be good to go then. We've got the LG logo here turning on, and so in just a second, we should hopefully see that that network lock message now no longer appears. Okay, so got the T-Mobile splash screen there, and let me just go ahead and swipe up on that. Okay, so yep, so we don't get the network lock message anymore, which is a good indication. The phone just directly goes to the home screen there. And if we give a second for everything to initialize, oh, perfect, there we go. So if I slide down the notification bar, we will be able to see that we are registered here on Cricket, which is the SIM card that we have inserted here in the device. They're a prepaid carrier that runs on the AT&T network, which is why we're getting that network lock message before. So now that the phone has been SIM unlocked, it is able to be used on any AT&T carriers, which is the other compatible network here in the US, and then it can also be used on other compatible carriers internationally. And then just so we can see what we are having here, we'll show you the network settings as well, which confirms that we are running on Cricket with our LTE network type there. So the phone has been fully SIM unlocked instantly using our programs and tools, and there's no need to go through the whole unlock app procedure with T-Mobile. So, if you have an LG K20 Plus or a similar LG model from T-Mobile and would like to get it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. While you're there, also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be notified of all the new services that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes no duden en contactarse con nosotros. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.